Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are featuring yet another retiring stamp set, Text You Later, and this is the cute little card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 3 by 4. I'm going to bring in my paper piercing mat, and I have a basic black archival ink. And this ink is going away, guys, so if you want it, you better get it while you can. And then I have the message part mounted on block E. All right. And now I have Bestie. I'm going to put that up here. Then I have the longer conversation. And then the shorter one. And then sort of the medium one here. And then the shorter one again. All right, so we have crappiest of birthdays to you that we're going to put on top of this one. And then I'm going to put these little dots here. And then no, I mean happiest. And then oops. And then LOL. Now I'm going to remount my stamps to put the color in. So I'm going to come in with the lemon lime twist. And put that down. Let me see if I can get this one a little bit better. And then I'm going to get my soft sky. And this color is also going away. So just like that. And now we can put this card together. I have a piece of soft sky, and this measures 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And I'm just going to put this on the back. And then my card base is Tempting Turquoise, or Island Indigo. And this is also retiring. It's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have this piece of Picture Perfect Designer Series paper, which is also going away. And that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I think I'm going to go ahead and pop that up. Make sure you put plenty of dimensional so that it doesn't sag in the bottom, in the middle. And I want it kind of sideways, just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!